Okay, hi YouTube. I'm just going to be doing a quick how-to if you break a laptop screen, how to quickly replace it. Well, I've already taken out the screen and I just received my new screen today, and it's from laptopscreens.com. It costs around 80 bucks, and what I'm gonna do is take off all the wrapping off this first. Here's a better view of where the screws are. There's 3 on this side, and they're on the same location on the other side. And the next thing you want to do is you want to connect this cable back into the monitor. You want to remove the screws, insert screws here and there. Press along the edges so it snaps in. You hear the snaps. And then put screws in all 4 corners. Here we go, it's working.